So I tried repairing my Apple Watch SE first gen, the one that came out in 2020 with the Series 6. How did I get here? Like, I was playing basketball one time and then I decided to take off my watch and I dropped my watch and I dropped my watch flat on the floor and the screen cracked. And ever since then, I cannot shower with my watch or freaking use my watch in water and stuff like that, bro, because like the screen's already cracked and like every time it keeps glitching out if it comes in contact with water or something. Like it keeps glitching out and like freaking calling emergency and stuff like that, bro. So I stopped using my watch in the shower and stuff like that, bro. I just use it for sleep tracking, but like I needed to repair the screen or like get the new Series 9, but like the Series 9 wasn't worth it for me because the only feature the Series 9 had that you could call like a useful feature was crash detection, which we hope we never use, and the mute thing, bro, the one where you like double tap your hand together to like mute stuff, to like mute your alarm and stuff like that. Other than that, bro, like the Series 9 wasn't worth it, bro. Like no improvement in battery life or anything like that. Like we have to get the Apple Watch Ultra to get better battery life, and the better battery life is not like better battery life if you compare it to like other watches. You get like maximum of 3 days. That's without like workout tracking and just like normal regular use. Like it's not worth it. So these tools were the tools I was using to try to take off the display of the watch, but like the tools were not good enough. So I ended up needing to buy another tools. But like I'll be getting a new display and also be replacing my battery because my battery health is at 80%. So I know like this is not the way to take off the display, but like it didn't matter to me because I was already getting a new display anyways. So I also found out Apple Pay does not work. I think it might have to do with the old display and the NFC chip in the display, because like every time I try to like add my card for Apple Pay on my watch, it refuses to add the card. So I think it might have something to do with the older display's NFC chip.
Jack it up.
So I found out the screw I had wasn't the same fit for the screw on the Apple Watch. So I ended up getting a new set of tools that I could use for like my Apple Watch and any future repair I have. So this is what it looks like.
Jack it up.
So after taking off the battery, this is what the battery looks like. And this is what the new battery looks like. So after getting the battery in, now it's time for the display, and like this was the most difficult part of everything, because like first of all, when I got the display, like they sent me a display that was broken, and then I had to send it back in and get a new one. But like after that, getting the display into the watch was more difficult, was the most difficult thing I had to overcome in getting my watch fixed. And after sealing the watch closed with the glue, like I noticed that whenever I'm in like water or in the shower, like the watch will like malfunction just like the way it used to before. So then I had to like go through the same procedure as I did before in opening the watch and sealing it properly this time. And ever since then, I've had no problem. So the wait time after glue is 48 hours. After that, what you glued should be good to use. So as you guys can see, the watch is working fine. The screen is fast and responsive, just as new, and the battery health of the watch is at 100%. So everything's working fine. But like after a couple of months of use, I noticed like that even though my battery is still at 100% battery health, the battery wasn't as impressive as I thought it would be. I'm still getting like 18 hours of use, normal use, that is without exercise tracking and all that. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to add, comment down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.